Good morning to everyone, student. Today we will have the summer vacation homework question. We will just discuss this questions. There are 20 questions which you have to solve in your mathematics copies. Total questions are 20 that you have to solve after solving chapter number 1 and 2, which is already completed in the month April. So after that, writing the notes from chapter 1 and 2, you have to write it the summer vacation homework in your max copy. Clear everyone? Now one more thing, that on in month of June again we will have the classes, so there will be no classes in May. Okay, so here is the vacation question. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is -7. Pair of integers, that means we have to choose either a positive integer or a negative integers such that their sum is -7. So if suppose one is 4 and other is -3. Okay, if suppose not 4 and 3, since if it is said that pair of integers, so suppose -10 plus 3, it will give my answer -7, isn't it? -4 -3, it will be give answer -7. So like this pair we have to choose it, we have to make it. Clear everyone? Next, fill in the blanks. 17 plus, here we have to fill the blank. So 17 plus will be added by which number to get the answer 0? So it will be -17 itself. -53 will be added by which number to get the answer? -53. That answer will be 0. Okay, find the product. So here you have to multiply the number. So here 1 into -2 will be 2 itself, plus 2, -3 into -4, it will be -12. Now it will become -24 as an answer. The next question we are having, fourth one. In that fourth question you have to evaluate. So in order to evaluate the question, first solve these two terms. So minus and plus will be minus. So -6 plus 5 will become -1, divided. Here -2 plus 1 will become -1. So -1 will be divided with -1. It will become answer as +1. Clear everyone? And in the verification question number 5th, here you have to substitute the value of a and b in the equation a minus b is equals to a plus b. While solving the LHS and RHS part separately, you will get the required answer. Okay. In the same way, you are having the question number 6. Here it is said that in a quiz, positive marks are given for the correct answers and negative marks are given for the incorrect answers. If Jack scores in 5 successive rounds where 25 minus 10 minus 5, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? That means total, here quiz is there, 5 positive marks are given for the correct answer and negative marks are given for the incorrect answer. Total successive round is 5. So at the end we have to find the total. So for this you have to add all the numbers. Okay, add it, then you will get the required answer. So here 25 minus 5 minus 10, when you will open the bracket, here adding this number will become 25. Now 25 plus 25, it will become 50, 50 and here 50. Add, then do 50 minus 15, you will get the required answer for this also. Clear? Now here in question number 7, it is said that a certain freezing process required that room temperature be lowered from 40 degree at the rate of 5 degree every hours. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process began? Okay, so here question says that 40 degree at the rate of 5 hours and the room temperature is of 10 hours. So 5 into 10 hours will become 50 degree Celsius temperature, and 50 degree Celsius temperature will be subtracted with 40 degree centigrade temperature, will get the answer. Clear? Or you can do the method which will be easiest for you. Next question we are having solve. So here just we have to solve the equation. The mixed fraction form is given as 8 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 3 5 by 8. This mixed fraction form we have to convert into improper fraction. So while converting it into improper fraction, what the number we will get? 8 into 3 8 into 2 will become how much? 16. 16 plus 1 will become 17 upon 2 minus 3 fourths will be 28. 28 plus 5, not 28, 24. Okay, so 3 fourths is 3 fourths I am talking. No, student. 3 fourths are not. It will be 3 into 8 plus 5 upon 8. So 3 8s will be 24 plus 5. So it will become 29 upon 8. Now solve 29 upon 8. Now you can take the LCM and solve it. You will get the required answer. Next question, it is said that multiply and express the mixed fraction form. So 5 into, here mixed fraction form is given, so 6 into 4 plus 3, change it into improper fraction, then it will become 6 into 4, 24. 24 into 24 plus 3 will be 27 upon 4. Now solve this, you will get the required answer. Next question, find 1 by 2 of, that means you have to multiply it 1 by 2 with 24 as well as with 46. Next question is 5 divided 3, 4 by 7. Then the 12th is also same. Just first the mixed fraction form you have to convert into improper fraction form. Then you have to divide it. Okay. 13th question, what you have to do? How much less it is said that means 42.6 kilometer will be subtracted with 28 kilometers. Expressions kg, that everybody know 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram, isn't it? So you have to convert 4 kg 8 gram in kg itself. So you can divide it 4 kg plus 8 upon 1000 gram. You have to do, then you can solve. Now the rest other question is a very simple one. 15, 16, 17, 18 is a very simple question. Just divide it and get the answer. Next question number we are having, a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it covers in 1 liter of petrol? So for that, what you have to do? You have to 42.2 kilometers will be divided with 2.4 liters. You will get the required answer. Next question is a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So here what you have to do, student, you have to find the perimeter whose length is 1 by 2 centimeter. So while converting this mixed fraction into improper fraction, you will get as 12 into 2 plus 1 will be 25 upon 2, and here it will be 2 by 3 will be 32 upon 3. Now keep it in the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. Formula will be how much? 2 into L plus B. Solving that, you will get the required answer. Next question we are having here. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 upon 12 hours. Weber finished coloring the same pictures in 3-4 hours. Okay, 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer by fraction what it is longer? So you have to just, what you have to do, you have to compare the numbers, because here it is asked that who worked for longer and by what fraction. So compare the number. You will get how to compare the number by taking its LCM, and after that subtract it, you will get the required answer. So dear student, here we had completed the 20 question explanation. Try to do it in your mathematics copy. Okay, so for today, thank you everyone.